Each day at Municipal and Traffic Court, dozens of inmates are transported here by members of the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office. And this spot on the ground floor of the building where they're getting out of the van, it's the same area where the judges and their staffers park to enter and exit the building. That includes traffic judge Mark Shea.
So we knew that it was just a matter, it was a ticking time bomb, as some of the judges have said.
And while there have been no major incidents yet, this security assessment report outlines all sorts of problems at the courthouse. It was done by the state Supreme Court's Director of Judicial Safety at the request of Judge Shea.
We knew there was some deficiencies,
including no cameras, inside or outside. In fact, the ones inside haven't worked since Hurricane Katrina hit. No uniform presence on the exterior of the building, meaning no cops patrolling the outside. Lighting is a problem as some areas are dark, and the biggest concern, level 1 parking. The report says pedestrian traffic has uninhibited access to level 1 parking. This places members of the judiciary and authorized employees at great risk. So this is level 1 parking, and what that means is that the judges who work in this building, who sentence people to jail for crimes like domestic violence, possession of marijuana, and simple battery, could potentially walk past those same people entering and exiting this building.
Luckily, nothing's ever happened, but it's one incident away.
Security expert and former NOPD officer Mike Kahn says immediate changes need to be made.
Or you should never have inmates being brought in where they could see these judges or see these other people getting into their cars, getting out of their cars. It's very easy to memorize a license plate. These should be two completely different areas where they should never come into contact aside from in the courtroom.
The report also points out how empty containers and a dumpster located near the building can conceal a device or combustible material.
From the report and what the report has, this absolutely would not be referred to as a secured building.
And we've just pointed out the problems on the outside. Inside, the report says the main security checkpoint offers no ballistic or protective barrier for the officers. And it says operation guidelines for the security screening checkpoint have not been established. It says sometimes the deputies use hand wands on people and other times they do not. There's no consistency. And it says there isn't enough security inside the courtroom.
A lot of it's kind of security 101.
This building was built in '65, so back then they didn't think about having secure rooms for witnesses and victims. So you got victims and witnesses and defendants sitting in the same courtroom next to one another sometimes. So luckily nothing's ever happened.
Many people who use the court are unaware of the lack of security.
You're going in and you're paying tickets and the last thing on your mind is about the safety.
But after we showed Lawrence Mackey the security problems, he says they need to be fixed.
I don't want to be a victim.
City Hall funds the courts and says the city received the security assessment report for Orleans Parish Municipal and Traffic Court on May 4th, 2016, and we are currently reviewing its recommendations.
We hope that that we can work together with the city and all the parties involved, that we can formulate a good, secure plan for this building.
And we spoke to some of the other judges who work here. They also say they are willing and hopeful to work with the city to improve security at this facility behind me. Reporting in Mid-City, I'm Travers Mackel. Back to you.